In this iPhone tutorial, we are going to learn how to install Google Calendar on your iPhone. If your whole life runs on Google, but you love your iPhone, you need your schedule in one place. I'll show you the official way to get the Google Calendar app and how to sync Google Calendar with your iPhone's built-in calendar. Your iPhone comes with a great calendar app, but what if your work, your family, and your entire schedule live inside Google Calendar? You might feel a little disconnected, constantly checking a web browser on your phone. But you don't have to. You can get that same familiar Google Calendar experience right on your iPhone. I'm your host, and in this simple guide, I'm going to walk you through the entire process. We'll focus on the best method, which is installing the official Google Calendar app from the App Store. Then, as a bonus, I'll also show you the alternative method, how to sync Google Calendar with the native Apple Calendar app in case you prefer to keep everything in one place. By the end of this video, I will have my complete Google schedule on my iOS device with all my events and reminders fully synced and ready to go. To get started, I need just a few simple things. I'll need my iPhone, my Apple ID password to download apps, and most importantly, my Google account email and password. All right, let's begin with the best and most recommended method, installing the official Google Calendar app for iOS. First, I'll need to find and unlock my iPhone and go to my home screen. We are looking for the blue App Store icon. Let's tap on that. Once the App Store is open, I'll tap on the Search tab, which is in the bottom right corner. In the search bar, I'm going to type in Google Calendar and press Search. I will see a few results, but the one I want is the official app. It's called Google Calendar Get Organized, and I must check that the developer listed right below the name is Google LLC. This is how I know it's the real, secure application. To install it, I'll just tap the Get button. If I've downloaded it in the past, I might see a small cloud icon with an arrow. I'll tap that. My iPhone will then ask me to confirm the download by double-clicking the side button or using my Touch ID. I will go ahead and authorize that. The app is completely free. I'll see the little circle fill up as it downloads and installs. Once it's finished, the button will change to Open. I can tap Open right from here, or I can find the new Google Calendar icon on my home screen. When I open the app for the first time, it is possible it will ask me for this permission. I will allow full permission. If I am not signed in, it will give me a welcome screen and then ask me to sign in. If I already use other Google apps on my iPhone, like Gmail or Google Maps, it might even find my account automatically. If not, I'll just tap Sign In and securely enter my Google account email and password. I will have to just enable this account. After I sign in, the app will ask for a couple of critical permissions. It will also ask for permission to access my location or contacts, which helps when adding locations or inviting people to events. It will ask, Google Calendar would like to send you notifications. I must tap Allow if I want to get reminders and alerts for my upcoming events. And just like that, I'm done. My entire Google Calendar is now on my iPhone, fully synced. I can add events, get reminders, and see everything exactly as I would on my computer. Before we finish, here's a quick tip. I should add the Google Calendar widget to my home screen. I will just tap and hold on a blank area of my home screen until my apps jiggle. Then, I will tap the plus icon in the top left corner. I will scroll down and find Google Calendar in the list. I can choose from a few different widget sizes that show my upcoming schedule at a glance. It's a fantastic way to get my Google schedule on my iPhone's home screen. Now, what if I don't want another app and I just want my Google events to show up in the built-in Apple Calendar? I can do that too. I will just go to my iPhone's main Settings app. I will scroll down until I see Apps, and then find Calendar and tap it. Inside that menu, I will tap on Accounts, and then tap Add Account. I'll see a list of providers. I will tap on Google. From here, I'll just sign in with my Google account. After I sign in, it will give me toggles for mail, contacts, calendars, and notes. I will make sure the toggle for calendars is green and turned on. Then I will tap Save. Now, when I open the native Apple Calendar app, all of my Google Calendar events will be there, perfectly synced. So, we've reached the end. We've learned how to install the official Google Calendar app on an iPhone, which is the method I recommend for the best experience. We also learned how to sync my Google Calendar with the built-in Apple Calendar app, which is a great alternative if I'm a minimalist. However I choose to do it, my schedule is now in my pocket and fully in sync. I'll never miss a meeting again. I truly hope this guide on how to get Google Calendar on my iPhone was helpful. If it was, please give this video a like. It's a simple click that really helps the channel and lets me know I found this useful. And if I'm interested in more simple, clear tutorials for my iPhone and other tech, I won't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Finally, I have a question for you. Leave me a comment and tell me, which method do you prefer? Do you use the official Google Calendar app? Or do you sync with the Apple Calendar app? I'm very curious to know what you think. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.